Did you know there are unusually simple books that made over $1.6 million in sales on Amazon that no one ever heard of? And they did it in just 3 steps. But bad news, step 3 is gonna make you mad. But my bonus, step 4, will make you $500 plus passive income. Step number 1, do a little research on what's inside these top seller books. Then go to ChatGPT and start writing research plus AI. Step number 2, Google Amazon KDP, follow step-by-step process and list your book on Amazon. But in step number 3, you need customers. And usually people depend on Amazon search engine optimization or organic traffic. But Amazon wants to make money, so they try to make you run ads like this and spend your money. This is risky. That's why we don't do this. We do step number 4. We use AI to write our books. Then we use AI to generate our sales page. Then we use AI to make simple and short videos just like this one and publish them on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. This process sends us free traffic to our automated funnel, which does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we make $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99, and I will DM you with the link to a free case system.